Elimination method by equating coefficient in linear equations. So in this linear equations, let us see another method, that is by making coefficients must be equating. Same elimination method. But let us see with one example. So solve. So I will take one question. 4x minus 18 is equals to 3y, and 6x plus 7y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so these two are the linear equations. By using the system of linear equations, we should eliminate the method, eliminating the one of the variable by equating the coefficients. We should equate the coefficients. Here x coefficient is 4 and x coefficient is 3. Here y is right side and constant is left, LHS side. So let us take in order. So when you see this solution, we can make the problem, the given equations, we can make in order. That is 4x minus 18, take right, 3y is LHS. So minus 3y is equals to 18. Okay, let be equation 1. Now this is 6x plus 7y minus 4, take rights, plus 4. Equation 2. If equation 1 is RHS is constant, you also make second equation also RHS must be constant. Then you can eliminate easily. Okay, now we need to observe x coefficient is 4, and x coefficient is 6. 4 and 6 are not same. Now we should make it as same. For that you can take 4 and 6, find LCM. Okay, just to take 4 comma 6, find LCM. 2 2s are 2 3s are, no common. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM is equals to 12 now, right? Now I should make x coefficient must be 12, because x coefficient is not same. You can check with y coefficient also separately. Not only eliminating x, you can eliminate y. Any one of the variable you can eliminate. So I am started with x coefficient. So equation 1 into 3, because x coefficient is 4, I should make it as 12. So entire equation I can multiply with 3. Then value does not change. So value of the equation will not change. Just multiplying with same constant LHS and RHS. Right? So the meaning of this is equation 1 is multiplied by 3. That implies 12x plus 3 4s are 12 minus 3 3s are 9y is equals to 18 into 3. Everything we multiply. That is 54. Right? That is first equation into 3. Now equation 2 into equation 2, x coefficient is 6, but I want 12. Okay, in 6 table 2s are, so you should multiply with 2. Same 2 should multiply entire equation, then only equation value does not change, so that is compulsory. And this is 12x plus 7 2s are 14y, and same 2 into 4 is 8. So entire equation you can multiply with 2. Then once it is same, we can subtract these both the equations. Right? Subtracting means the same sign, we should change it, because I am subtracting this minus this. We should change the signs. 12x minus 12x cancel, minus 9y minus 14y, because sign is changed. From this I am subtracting this value. Okay, minus 9 minus of 14. So minus 9 minus 14, so minus 23y is equals to 54 minus 8, that is 46, plus 46. This from 54, 8 we should subtract. Now from this, y is equals to 46 by, so minus you can shift this side, by 23. Okay, 23 ones are 23 twos are minus 2. So I got y is equals to minus 2. Y value is minus 2 we got. Once you know one of the value, then another value is simple. Just y value substitute in any equation 1 or 2, we'll get another one. So from second equation, y value is 2. 6x plus 7y, y value is minus 2, that is equals to 4. We can simplify this. That is 6x minus 14 is equals to 4, because 7 into 2 is minus 14. Plus into minus is minus. 6x 4 plus 14, minus 14 take right, plus 14. 6x is equals to 18 then x is equals to same 18 divided by 6, x is equals to 3. Finally I got x is 3, y is minus 2. So these both values will satisfy the given equations. Verification also you can do. I will show one of the equation verification. So take any one of the equation. So I am taking this first one, 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y is equals to 18. 4x minus 3y is equal to 18, right? These two values should substitute. You should satisfy the given RHS same as we should get. X is equal to 3. So 4 into 3 minus 3 into y value is minus 2. 4 is a 12. Minus 2 minus is plus 6. Yeah, 18 is equals to 18. It's verified. So the solution set is 3 comma minus 2 is solution set. This is a solution which satisfies the solution of the given equations. So this is the elimination method by equating coefficients. We should equate the coefficients, then we can, by subtracting, we can eliminate that another value. If we eliminate x value, y value will get. If we eliminate y, x value will get first. Substitute in another equation, any one of the equation, not only two, then we'll get another variable. Okay, this is the one of the method in system of linear equations. Next we have cross multiplication method. This is Cramer's rule. That method also I'll explain now.